What is a vision board and how to make one? A vision board is a collage of images, quotes, and affirmations that represents your goals, aspirations, and desires. It serves as a visual representation of what you want to achieve in your personal or professional life and serves as a source of inspiration and motivation. Positive thoughts and feelings attract positive experiences and outcomes into your life. A vision board is an amazing tool to see how the law of attraction works. It helps to focus and clarify your thoughts, emotions, and intentions towards your goals and aspirations. Here's how to create a vision board in few easy steps. 1. Identify your goals. Start by listing your personal and professional goals, what you want to achieve in various areas of your life. 2. Gather materials. You will need a poster board, magazines, scissors, glue, and other decorative materials such as markers or stickers. 3. Find images. Look through magazines or search online for images that represent your goals, aspirations, and desires. Cut out the images and arrange them on your poster board. 4. Add words. Write out quotes, affirmations, or phrases that align with your goals and paste them on your board. 5. Decorate. Use your creativity to decorate your vision board with colors, patterns, and other elements that inspire you. 6. Display. Hang your vision board in a place where you will see it frequently, such as your bedroom or office, to remind you of your goals and keep you motivated. You can also create a digital vision board that you can watch directly from your phone or computer. I have been using Mind Movies to create digital vision boards for years and it's amazing. You can also use Canva or other similar software to create your digital vision board. Just remember, your vision board is a personal creation, so there is no right or wrong way to make one. The most important thing is that it resonates with you and serves as a source of inspiration and motivation. Thank you for watching this video. Leave a comment if you have any questions about vision boards or anything else. Like and subscribe to get more videos like this.